Is this ZCERA replacement keypad for the Panelview 550 series the upgrade you've been waiting for? This unit, specifically the ZCERA membrane switch keyboard touchscreen, aims to bring new life to older Allen Bradley Panelview 550 units like the 2711B5A3, 2711B5A5, 2711B5A8, and the 2711B5A8L1. It's a pretty specific niche, but for those working with these industrial workhorses, a reliable replacement part is gold. The ZCERA brand is putting its name on this keypad, and the color is listed simply as keypad, which is a bit generic, but we're here to see how it performs. First impressions are important, and for a replacement part like this, it's all about fit and function. The membrane switch keyboard design is classic for these Panelview models, and ZCERA seems to have replicated that familiar feel. The touchpads are the critical element here, and the responsiveness is what we're really looking for. Does it register touches accurately? Is there any lag that could cause frustration on the factory floor? Early indications suggest that ZCERA has done a decent job of matching the original specifications, which is crucial for seamless integration. You don't want to be troubleshooting a new part when you're trying to keep production running. The build quality feels solid enough for an industrial environment, though it's important to remember this is a membrane keypad, not a ruggedized industrial touchscreen in the modern sense. It's designed to replace an existing component, so the expectation is that it will hold up under typical operating conditions for its intended lifespan. The key is that it works, and works well, without introducing new problems. For anyone who has had a Panelview screen fail, the cost and downtime associated with a full unit replacement can be significant. A good quality replacement keypad like this ZCERA unit can be a much more economical solution. The real test, of course, is in the application. Does it integrate easily with the existing Panelview 550 hardware? Are the connections secure? And most importantly, does the touchscreen function as expected, allowing operators to interact with the machine interface without errors? Based on the information available, ZCERA is targeting this specific model range, so compatibility should be a strong point. It's not about reinventing the wheel here, but about providing a dependable replacement that gets the job done. For those managing older automation systems, this ZCERA Panelview 550 keypad offers a practical and potentially cost-saving solution. In summary, the ZCERA Panelview 550 membrane switch keyboard touchscreen appears to be a capable replacement part for specific Allen Bradley models. It focuses on delivering the essential functionality needed to get older Panelview units back online, offering a straightforward and effective solution for maintenance and repair needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.